Hey y'all, welcome to part 2 of part 2 of my gift unboxing. Hey y'all, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is part 2 of my gift unboxing. So in the previous video I had shown you a couple of shoes, and there's gonna be some in this one as well, unless of course the clothes take a lot of time, then I'm gonna have to make a different video. So anyway, starting off, this is something I've got myself. This is what it looks like. I decided to include it in here. It has some pockets. I'm not sure if I like it. I'm still very much debating how I feel about it. That is it behind. I think when I bought it, I thought it was, gonna be something very dear, but this isn't bad. It's just not what I wanted. So there's that. Anyway, let me try to fit a couple of clothes. This is something I bought myself. So let me try to fit a couple of other clothes so that you'll get to appreciate. What else I got? Let me just try to move a bit slow. Come a little bit closer. Okay. I think my camera is too high. It looks like it's a bit high. Let me just do that, and yes, this seems fine. Okay, this is alright. Okay, let me try something else. Ooh, so I got this little Nike t-shirt. Oh, this looks cute together, right? This is what it looks like. It's just plain, just with the Nike thingy here, right? And then it's also available in white. Let me just try to fit the white one real quick. I'm so sorry guys, I'm gonna be trying to be fast because there's certain things that I realized they are gonna be demanding of me to spend a bit of time on them. So let me wear the white one. So these are still very much other stuff that was well in there, and this one goes all the way down. Wow, that is cute. I only disadvantage is that the weight is kind of see-through, so right now I'm kind of wondering if you guys are seeing too much. But yeah, it's a white Nike shirt. There's literally no detail whatsoever, just the white Nike tee, which I'm gonna have to find somewhere to wear it to. Let me show you something else. Oh, they have this print here, and it's a very good quality t-shirt, if I do say so myself. Let me show you all what else is here. So this was apparently supposed to come as a set, but my boy got played, so we just have it as the top only, and I think it would have been so cute if it had like the bottom part. And I'm currently trying to just find a random thing to match with it. It's really cute. I'm trying to push back this so y'all can see what it looks like from here. See how cute that is? Makes me want to start working out serious. It's really cute. So it's just a little jogging item. This is what it looks like. It was very nice. Let me show you what else do we have. A couple of these things are just tops without bottoms, so yeah. So this is like my favorite top of all of them. So sexy, very cute. So So these you just tie to the back. They really don't have much of an effect, honestly. It's not like they're left and bows or anything. It really has its own little lifters there. So BTW, I'm looking over because I'm looking at my mirror, so don't be wondering what's over my eyes. These are wires. This is a wire. This is not, but these are wires. This is a really cute thing. Corset. This is what it looks like behind. Like, this corset is so bad. I love it so much. It's so cute. So yeah, what am I gonna work with, you ask? I don't know why, but it just looks like it'll look very cute with like a sarong or something. I don't know. I'll try it or something out. But when I did feel I felt it could look good also with some formal pants. Not formal pants. When I call them formal, it sounds funny. I don't know what to call them, but just some, obviously not jeans kind of pants. That's all I'm trying to say. So yeah. Oh, let me show you all other stuff. Cause I'm really trying to not make this a long video. So this is a 3-piece set. I'm showing it to you guys because you're not gonna get to see. Let me try to put it a bit for. Is that visible? Okay. So this is what the pants look like. It's a set of 3. So this is the part you're not gonna see because y'all know I don't do that. So this is the underwear. This the bikini rather. So it's some little short pants and a bikini set. So I'm gonna wear these and I'm gonna show y'all. I just want y'all to appreciate them separately. First. So this is how it looks on me. This is not supposed to be like this. I just put it like this so that you get to appreciate this. Under normal circumstances, I could just put it all the way up, just like that. Do I want y'all to see the behind? Jesus Christ, I didn't know it was gonna be that transparent, but clearly it's transparent, and that's that. Ooh, this is what you under here. This is adjustable. I probably should have tied it a bit more up there, but I'm gonna take it off. So yes, here's what it looks like. I hope when I was showing you these things when I wasn't wearing them, y'all got to appreciate. This is not pulling anything, it's just the decoration. But every part of me wishes it had purpose. And yeah, they're really comfortable, I'll tell you that. And I really love this little full flower item situation going on. I don't know what's the color, but it's kind of cute. Okay, let me just fix this because now I am failing to appreciate this. So some other clothes I wore on my recent vacation, so you just get to see them when I make a video on what I wore on the vacation instead of seeing it here because I have already worn it. And yeah, so I'll just get to show you the stuff on the lookbook and not literally wearing it because it looked good then, also complemented by the environment, that kind of situation. So there's this. Let me show you the other one because there's at least 2 sets of these. Let me show you another set. It's a set as well, so I'll show you all that. Oh, I wanted to share, in case the color isn't properly showing, this is kind of, I can't say it's cream white, but it kind of is. it's far off the cream white, and it's kind of, you know what, let's just call it cream white because I don't know the color for her. So yeah, let's just call it cream white. So this other set comes in, this is the bikini bra, this is the bottom, that's how it looks, and then it comes up with this, so you'll get to appreciate this better when I'm wearing it. I am not sure how to hold it at this point in time because it has two weird parts. Let me just roll it so y'all can appreciate it better. So this is what it looks like behind. Trying to deal with all of this, but it's just so much for one person, so I can't. But I just want to also appreciate what it looks like. So this is a bit nerdy. Let me just try to. Ooh, I'm tiptoeing. So this is what it looks like in front, and I love how it fits. So it has this all nerdy material. You're able to see it properly. And it looks like that over here, and like that. Oh, that's so cute, you guys. That's so cute. I don't know how to act. It's so cute. Like I love this. This is so cute. It's so cute. So here, this is supposed to be getting tied up, and I can't do that myself, so I'm gonna leave it alone. I don't need this dress in my life. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. We'll do a separate video because the other items are a lot. It'll be a lot for me to assume I can fit them all in one video, and also I think this one has been very wholesome on its own. So let me just make a separate one. And also take a breather, guys. I need to chill a little bit. Taking clothes on and off is not a joke, I'll tell you that. So I'm gonna need to just take a breather, and you'll see I've been tiptoeing, right? So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Kindly remember that these are gifts for my birthday, and the best gift you can give me is simply to watch these ads, okay? I'd appreciate that so much. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. We have new content coming in every single week, and like I said, I'm here to make a lookbook for what I wore on my vacation, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget to let me know which one was your favorite fit. I'm pretty sure you will personally like this one too, as have I. This was my favorite. So yeah, bye y'all. So it was kind of too high. I need to be honest with myself. Okay, so these are PJs that my friend got me, and they look like this. I feel like I'm so in the dark, but I'll try to see most of that. Maybe my phone is up for me. But yeah, guys, tell me why these makes me want to get thick, because I feel like they're cute and they would need a person to wear like that. But nonetheless, they don't look good on me. Yeah, they are so light and comfortable. And if you're interested, I think I know where she got them. I might plug you. So this is what they look like. They came with underwear. They came with some herbal teas. They came with like it was packed. So there's these, and then there's also. Why do I look like I'm about to make another video? I'm not, because I'm trying to include something else that was part of the package, but I wanted to be on a separate video. We're gonna stop here for real. No, you all have seen enough for one day. Don't forget to watch the ads. I love you guys. Bye.